terribly messy. Oh, but so good. Wow, yum. Buttery, garlicky, spicy. This pasta is all the things that make me swoon. This is my butter garlic chili crisp spaghetti. Okay guys, pasta, you know there's going to be some surprise ingredients in this one, but let's get straight into making that buttery, spicy, kind of gorgeous sauce. First of all, I want to start off with some butter, and not a little bit, I want a whole chunky piece of butter here because we are making, you know, like buttery pasta. I'm not afraid of the fat. The sound of butter sizzling, the best kind of sound. Now before this gets too far melted, I want to add the garlic in now because I don't want that garlic to burn, so I just want it to like infuse the butter with some lovely garlicky flakes. And while that's having a little bit of a melt in there, let's talk about chili crisp. Okay, so this is the store-bought version. I know a lot of you love this condiment, as do I. If you don't know what it is basically a beautiful chili oil infused with a whole bunch of like dried garlic, shallots, dried chili, all like the really good spicy things. And it adds like a sort of salty umami flavor as well. I actually have a homemade version, which you can find out how to cook on my channel as well. This one has a few extras, like some lovely spices, star anise. It's like really extra. So you want to get some of your chili crisp into the pan. And then you want to make sure you get a good spoonful of the oil. So not just the crispy bits, but the oil too. Get that color, nice. We're going to mix through. Oh, this is already smelling divine. I also want to add in here some peanut butter. This is going to make everything creamy and nutty and like just really delish. Now, soy sauce and oyster sauce. You know me, always just loving the fusion pasta. But seriously though, like, you know, these kinds of ingredients like soy sauce, oyster sauce, they kind of just add a really lovely salty umami kick. It doesn't have to be Asian or Italian. We can, you know, share the love. Now just kind of melt that peanut butter through the sauce. And now at this point, I'm going to turn that sauce off because I want to concentrate on my pasta. You know, one thing that I can agree on, Asians and Italians can always agree on, is that you should never overcook your noodles or your pasta, so concentrate on that part of the cooking. Don't be doing a million things at once when you're cooking pasta. Okay, so I have spaghetti and some boiling salted water here, and I just want to drop that spaghetti in. And you want to cook that until like just al dente. We're going to finish it off in the pan, so I don't want you to overcook it. We're going to finish off the cooking in the pan, so I don't want that pasta to overcook. All right, so it's been a few minutes now. I can see that my pasta is almost there. What I do want to do though is get some pasta water. Crucial part of the recipe, or crucial part of most of the time when you're making pasta, but I really want to sort of finish the pasta in the sauce, and the pasta water helps everything to emulsify because it's got lots of starchiness in it, so it kind of gives you the shine and the, you know, all the bits, like the good things. Now, pasta needs to go into the sauce. And at this point now, you want to turn the heat back on under that sauce. A little bit of the pasta water and some spring onion. A little bit of toasted sesame seeds here as well. And now comes the magical part. I want you to just toss and turn, and that lovely sauce, which is a little thin now because we added the pasta water, but as that water and the butter emulsifies, we're going to get this like really thick, creamy kind of situation happening. Oh, look at that, within minutes already. Okay, just keep tossing and that sauce will get even more lush. Look at that, that shine. And the spicy little chili pops. Oh my goodness, already getting too excited. That is looking really good. Okay, I need to get this out. Final little bit of coriander. This one's an optional. If you don't like coriander, just a little bit more spring onion would be great. And there you go, guys. Buttery, spicy, garlicky pasta, all the things. But let's get in here and just make sure that I've done a good job for you guys. Oh, wow, this already smells amazing. Wow, that is without word of a lie, guys. That buttery, kind of peanut buttery creaminess is next level. Oh, that spicy chili garlic hit. Deep breath. And just keep going. If you've got any comments or questions, pop them below. And if you enjoyed the video, why not hit that subscribe button plus the little bell one, and that way you'll get notified every time I release a new video. Thanks, guys.